Hi, I'm Rick White, and today I want to share with you an easy but great tasting deer backstrap recipe. And it's really quite easy. The first thing I do is I just coat it with olive oil. I've got a backstrap here that I took from a deer last year. It's all cleaned up, ready to go. I just put a little bit of olive oil on it just to keep it from sticking on the grill. Just rub it on there. That's the first step. The next thing I do is I want to cut a pocket out of this backstrap, all right? Now I don't want to go through the other side. I just want to cut a pocket right down the middle. You can see how I'm opening that up. Once I've got that pocket cut open, and there's not any science to this, it's just pretty simple. Just try not to cut your finger. Now, I want to fill it with blue cheese and garlic. And I've got some blue cheese here. And really, how much of it just all depends on how big a backstrap you have. I just dump some in and fill it up. There's no exact measurement. Got the blue cheese in there. I use minced garlic. And just put a little bit of minced garlic in there. And if you like garlic, just add a little bit more. And just kind of push it in, get it right in that pocket, close it up. And the next step, now you could either tie it or you can use toothpicks and basically just close it up. I just use the toothpicks because it's easy. It's really simple. And one more for good measure. So there it is, all ready to go. Next step is just throwing it on the grill. Now it's just a matter of cooking it the way you like it. Me personally, I like my steaks medium rare, but you can cook it however you like. Now I normally like to cook it on one side for approximately about a minute, then I flip it over and cook it the rest of the way. So we're gonna do that right now. It's already looking good. And again, you can really cook it to your preference. I'll probably have this on the grill for maybe about 10 minutes at most. And of course that depends on what the temperature of your grill is as well. But this size of backstrap and the temperature I'm running, about 10 minutes. All right, now is the moment of truth. Plate here. Oh yeah. All right, let's check it out here. Oh yeah. Might want to let it cool off just a little bit. I'll pull these toothpicks out. Get them out. Toothpick right there. There you go. And just cut a little piece here, and it's a big piece actually. That is absolutely excellent. And quite honestly, that's all there is to it. Now I'm gonna invite these guys that are running the camera over here to enjoy some of this too. So if you're looking for a great deer backstrap recipe that's easy and, trust me, phenomenal tasting, give this a try. You'll be glad you did.